So, I've had a bit of an issue trying to get the light bar off and stuff around with that, so I didn't actually film getting that light bar off and getting these spots on. With this bull bar, it was in a very difficult position. Unfortunately, with very little room to move under here, and the nuts being right up here, and there being a really tight space back here, I couldn't really do too much about getting onto them and tightening them properly. And because I couldn't tighten them from the top, because they're actually the don't know if you can see that, but the bolt head has they've got little raised sections here so that the bolt head is meant to stay still and lock in there, which it doesn't. But once you apply some pressure to it, it won't stay there, so I had to hold that with a spanner as well. So then I got the wiring kit out, and so you can see here that it's got a little conversion, a little plug. It comes with, well, this wiring kit comes with the original wiring kit comes with this one, which is a 2-plug into a 2-plug, sorry, 2-plug into 2-plug. And these plugs are meant to go into the spots and then go back in and then plug into the next bit of wiring here, which then goes through under there. And then so they provided me with one that goes 3 to 2. So I've got them actually plugged in already. Hang on, I really need a wide angle on this. I don't know that I can. Hang on. Nope, I can't. So yeah, they just plug into that spot there on either side, and then the wiring's just running through a little hole here and in under here, and here's the other end of it, just here. Sorry, terrible camera work. Yeah, and so from there, the other bits are from here. So this plug here on the main harness will plug into that. There's a switch for that goes into the cabin, and then you've also got a actually I'll show it to you later once I've undone all that. I've got a bit more to do, but I'm going to hold off on doing any more of that for now. I just wanted to get the main wiring section done with the lights on for a start, and then I'm going to reinstall the grill, and then I've got to work out where I'm going to run the cabling and everything to go through into the probably come across here and go down in through the firewall down here somewhere. I've got to find a spot where it will go in through the firewall, and where there's original wiring going through somewhere, hopefully. Yeah, just down there, I think it is. Just down there. So I'll put the wiring for the loom, for the inside switch in through there. Everything else gets connected up under the bonnet, but I'll show you that once I've got everything a little more going. But yeah, so they've got the new spots on, and once it's finished connected up, I'll wait till night time and turn them on and get them in the right positions, and she'll be peachy, hunky dory.